How to get a report on delay and actual report for supplied material against purchase order, in simpliRP ERP, in reports, vendor report, list of PO released party ways. Select the date range. In the top there is a link for supply breakdown report. Click that. In that, there is link for delay, actual summary report. In that you can see the summary of delayed quantity supplied and actual quantity supplied against each purchase order. In the top there is a link for further GR and wise breakdown of this report. simpliRP is the easiest way for your vendor management. Thank you.